everyone, welcome to SugarCrashTV today.
We're going to do the No Talking Challenge!
Yay! For not quite 24 hours, the kids are going to try really hard to not say a word. If you look closely, Katie is wearing a SugarCrashTV t-shirt. Isn't that cool?
Subscribe, like, and comment. And that's what you should do.
That is what you should do. So starting in a minute or two, whenever we end this portion of the video, the kids will not talk. And this will go on until bedtime and through the night, which will be pretty easy. And then also in the morning as they're getting ready for school. And if they can make it until they head out the door to catch the bus, they will win. And their prize will be money to take to the carnival that's happening this weekend.
We can't talk in 3, 2, 1.
All right, so for the next more than 12 hours, I better not hear a peep. Matthew, who's not joining them in the No Talking Challenge, can be the sheriff. He can make sure that there's no talking going on downstairs. All right, so go about your business and be silent.
I know.
What do you want? You want to go watch YouTube videos? Okay, go ahead.
Hey, Josh, you want to play?
What do you think, Root Beer? What do you think, Root Beer? Are you gonna win?
You don't know. Yeah.
Can you laugh? I suppose it's hard to keep from laughing, isn't it? All right, spontaneous laughter is allowed. I think you're gonna win. Are you gonna win? I think so.
Look at his tail.
What about you, Tummy? Uh-oh, maybe we should have a no barking challenge. No barking? You would definitely lose, I think. So Nathan has found a really good way to make noise without talking. Good job. Good job.
Come here, Tommy. Come here, Tommy. Come here.
Can you only type one thing at a time? Nathan can put his every need into the computer.
Tommy. Tommy. Tommy.
Say hi, Mom. Type in hi, Mom.
Tommy's so confused.
He does not understand what I am saying.
Nathan, you're brilliant. He thinks
He does not understand where this voice is coming from.
But he likes you. He's licking your arm.
Yes, Tommy.
Oh, Lizzie's drawing me pictures. Yes, my dear. Lizzie's very sad she can't talk. She loves to talk.
Keep on living. Keep on living.
Do you know what, though?
Keep on living.
You can give me hugs, though. It's hard not to communicate, isn't it?
You're a good dog.
Yeah? Do you need a hug?
Tommy, you're a good dog.
Yeah?
I don't do it anymore.
It's okay. You don't have to do it anymore, okay? Okay. Katie's solution to the not talking challenge is to hide in her bed. I guess that makes sense. The less you're around people, the less you'll talk. Lizzie cried. She succumbed to the pressure and she cried and didn't want to do it anymore. So now it's just you and Nathan and Josh Did you know what Nathan discovered? He's typing what he wants to say into Google and it talks for him. He's using Google Translate. You'll have to hear, it's really funny. So, bye. I'll leave you alone till you're not talking. All right. Josh is still not talking. Lizzie's talking now, but they're watching the Scherer family. We like them. There's Lizzie Scherer. She's so much fun.
But I'm actually Lizzie, but...
Yeah, I think you guys have the same name.
Some people call her Liz.
Yeah.
Liz, so some people like being Lizzie.
Lizzie's much happier talking.
Yeah.
She loves to talk.
Hard.
It's okay. Do you hear that banging? Do you think Katie wants me? Oh, let's go see. Ah! Tumbleweed! He's not supposed to be in here. Yeah. Thanks, Kate. Nathan's just typing random things into Google Translate. You're having way too much fun with this.
Now, I'm going to check on everybody's doing it.
Are we getting ready for when Daddy comes home? How are you going to greet him at the door?
This, and this, and this.
What are you going to say?
Salut, Papa.
Salud, Papa.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Look at my potatoes.
Look at my potato.
Nice.
Daddy.
こんにちは。私のじゃがいもを見て。Hi, Daddy. Look at my potato.
You can't talk in an accent.
Oh, it's so hard not to talk, isn't it?
Yeah, and you can't see when you get hurt.
Oh, you can't see when you get hurt.
Oh, Nathan has something to tell you, though.
Before I'll be down in Morgantown.
Hi, Daddy. Look at my potato.
That's funny. That's funny, buddy.
So, to be perfectly honest, we've had... Someone said no, and someone said, what did you say? You can't tell me what you said. What did he say? He said a syllable.
He said something.
He said a syllable, but we decided to give them a reset, right? So now, Nathan's finding creative ways to make noise. So, it's only 5:43. We're about an hour and a half into this.
And everyone's losing!
And I thought that it was going to be quieter, but let me tell you, 15 minutes ago, it was like a crazy... It was a crazy house in here. Everybody had Google Translate translating books. So everyone had a book. Nathan, he's finding every single way to make noise that he can. Katie has been quiet as a mouse, though. Here is our dilemma now. Nathan has been invited to go to the carnival. Is he allowed to talk at the carnival? Yes. You think? All right. I guess you can talk at the carnival when you step back into the house. You cannot talk anymore.
How about whenever I step into the lawn?
Okay. Sounds good.
Whenever I step into the lawn.
So Josh,
Turns out that I'm out.
did you talk to Dad?
I think so.
You think so, but you don't know for sure?
No, I don't know for sure.
So all we have left is Katie And Nathan, who's kind of cheating right now. That's it. And it's only 6:30. It's only 6:30, guys. What? You want me to give him another chance? Should we give him another chance? Josh, what do you think? Do you want another chance? Yes?
Who's getting a chance?
Do you want another chance? Katie wants to give you another chance. Yes? All right. Josh is in for another chance because Katie's a nice sister. Okay, so this is really hard because I expect the kids to answer me. When I call them and say things like, hey, are you ready to go? I expect them to say, yes, Mom, or no, Mom, or whatever. This is really difficult. And Josh needed socks. And he was trying to tell me he needed socks, but he couldn't tell me he needed socks. Yes, you can wear those socks. I think that's what you needed me to say. We're getting shoes for Katie's feet. Is that what you said? What did you say? Those shoes hurt your feet? I'm sorry, your shoes hurt your feet. So we're gonna go shoe shopping. We're going to see how this goes. Shoe shopping when we can't talk. Something about shoes.
How about this? When we leave, we can talk normally. But when we
No. Nope. We're going into the shoe store. Let's see how we can pick out shoes without talking. Point the way to what you like. I was thinking something slip-on. Converse? Nike? Later for the Nikes. Do you see any slip-ons? You like those? I like those. They're $60. Katie doesn't like them. You do like them? You don't like the price. He likes. Yeah. Ooh. How about these? Josh found something he likes.
My turn.
Almost. Can he find his size? What size are you, bud? 8? Look lovely with your sock. Do you think they're big enough? Katie likes them. How much are the tennis shoes? You don't know. I like those. Do you need a 2? What do you think of those? They're a little small. Do you want to try a 3? Do you want to try a 3? Well, you can adjust that. What do you think? Does the 3 fit? I know. The price is right. You want to put on the other one and wear them around. Wait.
Mom, these ones?
No. Why do you always go for the sparkly shoes? Wear something that you can wear outside to play in or to the park.
This?
I don't know. I don't know if you'll like the thing between your toes. How about these? Try these ones.
Okay. This one?
You need a 13? Feels like there's only one of them in there in the box. Do you think you could buy another pair of shoes at Payless? In addition to those ones? Grandma wants to buy everybody a pair of shoes. So you can talk to Grandma, okay? Yes. Everyone got a nice pair of shoes and no one talked.
Is that me?
I don't know what you just said.
I talked though.
You didn't get, you need another pair of shoes?
I talked.
You did talk.
Because I can't talk.
Okay. So Nathan is back from the carnival, and that means that he is not talking still. Am I correct? Yeah. Lizzie, don't steal his cotton candy.
Yeah,
Josh talked to Dad. He said, "Hey, Dad," and he wanted to share his new shoes with him. Am I correct? No?
Wait, I can't remember. I was going to tell him.
So now it's down to Nathan and Katie. We'll see how it goes from here. So Nathan talked.
Yep.
I was not here when he did it. He talked to Matthew.
That's
He asked me a question. I don't remember what it was, but I didn't notice until.
So
I was like, wait, I just talked.
officially now, Katie is the only one left.
And she wins.
No, she doesn't win until tomorrow.
Josh? If she can make it until bus time tomorrow, she will get a bonus. Here's Katie. She's the last one standing. It's morning and I just woke her up. She's in the last stretch. She has 1 more hour to go until she gets not only the $5 winner's prize, but the bonus for going the whole entire time. So we'll see if she can make it till we leave for the bus. What do you want for breakfast? Not a bagel, right? You want pancakes. Okay. 5 more minutes, and she has made it to the finish line. As soon as we walk out the door to go to the bus, she can talk again. Yay! Hey, Katie can officially talk now. She won the challenge, and she also won the bonus because she's the only one who did it. Yay! Yay! So where are all those words that you've been dying to say for a whole day? You saved up your words. Well, spill it. This thing about not talking for all that time.
No one can understand me.
No one can understand you.
And if I wanted something, they wouldn't know what I wanted.
Josh,
Google Translate.
Yeah, Google Translate was good. Josh, what was the hardest part?
Failing a bunch of times.
I think remembering when something is exciting, remembering. I thought it was hard too. I would expect you, I'd yell down the stairs, "Take the dogs out!" And I would expect someone to answer me. And when no one answered me, I was like, why aren't they answering me? So it was hard for me too. And then in the car, when Katie and Josh were behind me and they wanted me to know something, but obviously I can't read while I'm driving, so they just had to not tell me stuff. So, but then I used Lizzie as my translator, didn't I, Lizzie? Yeah. So yay. Stay tuned for our next video when Katie goes to the carnival with her money and see if we play games or ride rides or eat cotton candy.
Katie.
All right, so see you guys later.
Bye.